Section 7, number 5. Each pair of the figures is similar, and you're going to find the missing side. Because the sides are similar, we can actually set up a scale. We can compare their scale factors or the ratios to just solve for x. Okay, I'm just going to draw a couple of things to get it orientated. So the x value here, I'm going to make this red. Its corresponding side to the other one, which is also going to be red. The other one here, which is going to be blue, and this one is also going to be blue because that's its corresponding side. Okay, so the ratio I'm going to set up here, it is the first ratio equals to the second ratio. Right, so it's going to be the blue, which is going to be on top, 9 and 54, and the bottom one, which is going to be red, which is going to be x and 30. Okay, this is the ratio that I set up. The blue's on top, red's on bottom. All right, now you can cross multiply. So 9 times 30 is equal to x times 54. 9 times 30, which is 270, equals to 54x. Then divide by 54 to both sides. 270 divided by 54 gets us 5 for the x value. All right, let's now take a look at B. Let's color code it again. So the left side, I'm going to make 13, and this is the corresponding one is 130. The bottom is my red. That allows me to get that unknown of x. All right, I'm going to compare one ratio equaling another ratio. So the blue's on top, 13. The corresponding is 130. The bottom is the red. X is for the one on the left. 90 is the one on the right. Now we can cross multiply. We have x times 90 is equal to x times 130. Okay, 13 times 90, that gets you 1170 is equal to 130x divided by 130 to both sides. You get 9 is equal to x for B. Now let's do the next one. Notice these are not in the same orientation. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to orientate it. So I think I will reflect this. Yeah. Okay. Do you see how it matches now? Perfect. Okay. Now I'm just going to label the orientation. I'm going to grab the top right, which is blue, and the left one here as the red. That allows me to set that up. So left ratio is equal to the right ratio. The top one, which is a 7, and the one on the right is a 91 for the blues. That's the corresponding sides. The bottom, we have an 11, and its corresponding side is the x there. Cross multiply, 7 times x, and then 91 times 11. Okay, 7 times x is 7x. 91 times 11, it is 1001 divided by 7 to both sides. This gets you x is equal to 143. Okay, all right, I just want to give you the disclaimer that A and B are very straightforward. You just look at its corresponding sides. But C, remember, you have to orientate it first before you set up the proportion and solve.